Mr. Martin, in that case, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge. State is proceeding solely on count 1 and waiving and abandoning the remaining counts.
No objections.
Okay. So count 2 through 5 are waived without objection. And the cause number ending in 4087, you're charged with the offense of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 40.
When the state abandons counts 2 through 5, that's not mercy, it's strategy. Prosecutors often narrow charges to lock in a conviction they're confident will stick, especially when the remaining count carries a heavy sentence. Fewer charges, less room for appeal, and a cleaner plea deal. This is the system shifting into endgame mode.
088, you're charged with the range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and a possible fine of $10,000. Did you understand? And each cause number, if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering into these plea bargain agreements, you were giving up those rights?
I do.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual? In each cause number, the state is requesting that your punishment be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. There are no applications. The cause numbers will run concurrently. State will take in consideration 2023 CR 4144, 2023 CR 4143, and there's to be Chapter 62 compliance in each cause number. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Detention.
Okay.
She received a tampering with evidence case, and we're actually trying to get her treatment at this time, Judge. So she is aware.
All right. Is there anything you'd like to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor. We just asked the court to follow the plea bargain.
All right. What would you like to say?
This is the point of no return. By saying yes here, the defendant isn't just accepting years in prison. He's surrendering his right to a jury trial, to confront witnesses, and to stay silent. Everything from this moment forward is about consequences, not defenses. And notice how calm the courtroom is right now, because the storm hasn't hit yet.
I don't have anything to say.
I'm sorry, I cannot hear you. You need to speak up.
I'm sorry for my actions, man.
Oh, are you sorry for your actions, or is it because your attorney told you to say you're sorry?
I'm sorry for my actions. It's just a lot. You know,
Are you married?
A lot of resort. I plan on getting married.
Who are you getting married to? Does she know about this case?
Yeah.
I'm sorry?
She's in the courtroom.
Ah, so she knows that you
You know,
were having,
honest with her about it.
I'm sorry,
I
what?
was honest about it with everything.
And she still wants to be with you. Do you have any children?
I do not.
All right, and I see that
So,
well, I mean, not you believe so. In the police report, it says that she told.
she didn't tell me anything.
I think he found out after the fact. Huh?
He found out while they were together, Judge. Yes.
Okay, so you knew. And the person you're with who's here to be with you and support you, does she have children?
No, ma'am.
And how old is she?
She's 34.
And who is it?
Complainant as well, Judge. She was there during this whole time.
What is her name?
She's in the police report. Lauren Messwich.
Let me find her in the police report. And you say it's Lauren, Lauren?
That's correct, Judge.
And how do you spell the last name?
I might chop it up. Meschwich, Mesch, I believe, WICH. It's in one of the reports.
All right, let me see if I can find her. Do you know how to spell her last name?
It's one MESH.
Would you like me to locate it for you, Judge?
Yes, please. All right, it's Lauren Elizabeth, and the last name is Meschwitz. All right, and so she's the person who wanted to have a threesome. I'm sorry?
It was both of us.
All right. And cause number 4088, the court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will not run concurrent. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 4087. Take in consideration 2023 CR 4144. 2023 CR 4143. There's Chapter 62, compliance, no contact with the following: the complainant and Lauren Elizabeth Meschwitz, and give you credit for any time served. So your relationship with her is over. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Meschwitz, if you're not on the docket, you can leave the courtroom because your relationship with Mr. Martin is over. And cause number 4087, the court is going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will not run concurrent. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 4088. Take in consideration 2023 CR 4144, 2023 CR 4143, Chapter 62 registration. There's to be no contact with the complainant and no contact with Lauren Elizabeth Meschwitz. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right. And each cause number, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? And did you sign them? All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, whether you're telling me you knew she was only 16 or not, at the end of the day, you knew that the person that you were using was going through some drama in their life, and you were seeking to build your happiness off that person's misery. You cannot do that in this world. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
All right, at least good human beings do not. Good luck to you. Mr. Cantrell,
Yes, Your Honor.
here are the...
That wasn't a suggestion. That was a court-ordered reality check. The judge just did something rare and deliberate. She drew a hard moral line. No contact orders don't just protect victims. They dismantle the defendant's emotional support system in real time. Marriage plans? Gone. Relationship? Terminated by the bench. This is where the weight of the sentence finally lands, not on paper, but in real life.